Alright, so which number line represents a solution set for the inequality 2x minus 6 is greater or equal to 6 times x minus 2 plus 8? Okay, so we have to find the values of x which will satisfy this inequality, right? So there's one way that we can do this is we can use guesswork, right? We can just guess values of x, and hopefully it would make the left-hand side always greater than or equal to the right-hand side. But there's a much more logical way of going through this. So the first thing that we notice here is that there's the values of x, so there's a variable on both sides, which makes it very hard for us to guess or to evaluate what values of x will satisfy this inequality. So we're going to manipulate our inequality to basically isolate for a value of x. Okay, so let me write down our inequality again. 2x minus 6 is greater than 6 times x minus 2 plus 8. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this right-hand side. So 2x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 6x minus 12 plus 8. Okay, now I'm going to move our values of x, or our variables of x, to the left-hand side and our constants onto the right-hand side. So to do that, I'm going to subtract both sides by negative 6x. So we have 2x minus 6x is greater than negative 12 plus 8. And I'm going to add both sides by 6 to get this negative 6 to the right-hand side. So we get 2x minus 6x greater than or equal to negative 12 plus 8 plus 6. Okay, now that we're here in this step, we're just going to simplify both sides. So we have negative 4x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay? So now we're at this step. We want to get rid of negative 4, right? So we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. And there's a rule with inequalities when you're isolating for them, is that whenever you're dividing or multiplying by a negative number, you have to flip your inequality sign. Okay? So we're going to flip our inequality sign because we're dividing by negative 4. And it's going to be 2 divided by negative 4, or x is less than or equal to negative half. Okay? So this inequality that we have here is the same thing as this inequality. We just basically simplified everything and organized it in a way that is easier to interpret. So now, we now know what the values of x that will make this inequality true. So any value of x that is less than or equal to negative half is going to make this inequality true. So now we're going to set up our number line here. So if we have our number line, right, where this is infinity and this is negative infinity and this is 0, our solution to the number line is going to be, so if this is negative half here, it's going to be from here and beyond, right? So x belongs to this part of our number line. Okay? So that's what it means by find the number line which represents a solution set for the inequality. You have to draw the number line and you have to identify which part of the number line satisfies your inequality. Okay? So the solution is correct. Nice job. Okay.